Hi and welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to discuss why we think everyone seems to hate learner drivers. Don't know why, but like that car there for instance, just pulls out in front of us like we're invisible. No idea what was going on there. Maybe he just had privilege over us, I don't know. Now you can see we're approaching a queue of traffic. It's a queue. Lots of cars in front of us. We all have to queue the same, like being in a post office. We just queue. We can't jump ahead. Talking about clutch control with the students here, just moving forward a little bit. Good, that's all good. The students first time on the road, on the main roads anyway, so probably a little bit nervy around traffic. He's doing really well at the moment. You can see the traffic starting to move now. Every learner's worst nightmare on the main road is of course stalling. Only if you're learning the manual though. If you're learning automatic you don't have to worry about this, so you can skip it. So you can see learner stalls. Fantastic. But as you can see there's a queue, so you think nothing's going to happen. Obviously the person behind is so important. Such a busy day. I'm going to go round. Jumps back in front, one car ahead. What was the point in that? Literally one car ahead. Where are you in a rush to go? Because you're not going very far. You might as well just wait it behind. The video finishes before we get through the lights, but we actually go through the lights at the exact same time as the car in front did. So they haven't got anywhere. Even the car behind came through with us. People, you need to be patient. You will learners once. Unless you're doing automatic, you don't worry about stalling. Learners in front may stall. Be kind. Be nice to people. Bye for now.